This is a very old advertisement for the Nico RC Dodge Viper GTS, and this is an old RC car that my parents got from me a while ago. It sort of died, and recently I found a way to breathe new life into it. So the idea behind this project was I wanted to have an RC car or a Rover that had basically an unlimited range, so I could go anywhere I wanted without worrying about, well, losing it because I'm going out of a range. And so I accomplished this by using 3G data, and so the car actually has a 3G modem and a computer that I programmed on board, and I won't go too much into the details because I have a website in my description. So here are a few pictures of the insides, and after driving it around a little, I realized that it tended to get stuck a lot. And so to remedy this, I added a speaker that allowed me to send text to the car, and then a text-to-speech engine that I installed on the computer converts that text that I sent to it into speech in sort of a Stephen Hawking's like robotic voice, and then that sound is blasted out of the speaker. So this picture here with the big bulky speaker at the back of the car is actually iteration 1, and I actually replaced the speaker with a surface transducer, which is basically just the speaker driver. And so what this does is it turns the whole surface of the car into the speaker. The last sort of modification I made was to counteract the tendency of the car to spin out at high speeds. And so to do this, I actually added a SparkFun gyroscope, a gyro, and that's that little red thing right there. And so that actually measures the angular velocity of the car, so how fast it's spinning. And then I programmed it so that the wheels, they counter steer proportional to how fast it's spinning. For example, if I spin this way, the wheels are at full deflection, but if I stop, I go back. As you can see, the wheels deflect in the direction opposite to whichever way it's spinning, obviously, so that the car stays stable. And even when the text-to-speech voice sounds like this.
Today I intend to solve 3 fifth-dimensional quantum matrices using vectoral mathematics in my head.
So this is the first time I ventured out of the safety of my neighborhood, and this here is a few hundred meters from my house. This is the only footage from onboard the camera that I have. The rest of the footage is actually screen captures of the footage from what I see on the client side. Please enjoy the rest of the video.
We open with the vultures, kissing the cannibals. Sure I get lonely when I'm the only human in the heaving heat of the animals. Bitter brown salt stinging on my tongue. I will not waver, I will not wait its turn. It will beat, it will burn, but burn your love into the ground with the lips of another. Do you get lonely? Should I get lonely sometimes? All my friends are wasted, and I hate this club, and I drink too much. Another Friday night I've wasted. My eyes are black and red. I'm calling back to your bed.
I hit the bar. Pharmacy addict, hit a Wall Street traffic, took the car. We reinvent the wheel just to fall asleep at it. Crash on the floor, catch the ZZZs. Pop in the polar opposite the NZT. Hip hop and the propaganda say they name brand, but I done seen y'all live my main man. The nights we won't remember are the nights we won't remember. I'll be gone till November on my city called for Simba. Dreams are made for cages, nigga. Lions are for real, nigga. Dying is for real, niggas dying on the field, nigga. Fridays are for chill and not escape the treachery. I just had to rest in peace, the recipe. The rest of us is praying at the sin. Don't leave a 10 if you're up right now. Hope you hear what I'm saying.
All my friends are wasted.